My name is Robert Nading. I'm the Vice President of Purchasing and Facilities at Campus Federal Credit Union. We were actually the first institution in Louisiana to install ITMs back in 2014. And ever since those first installations, we occasionally would get comments from members about concerns about privacy, et cetera. Because one of the drawbacks of an ITM compared to a traditional teller line, in a traditional teller line, even though you're standing close together, the teller is able to regulate their voice for that space, for that environment. Whereas with an ITM, where you have a remote teller, they have no idea what they sound like in the branch itself. You know, some tellers have a very soft voice, some have a very loud voice. And so ways that we've tried to mitigate that include using music within the branch. We've used different acoustical materials around the ITM to try and absorb some of that sound. We've used privacy panels behind the member to try and give them a better sense of privacy when they're using the ITM. But none of those come even close to what the directional audio does for giving us privacy during those transactions. Initially, we did a pilot program at one ITM at one location. We wanted to see, what the difference was with an ITM with the directional audio and one without, and immediately the difference was very clear. The amount of sound that you get from the ITM that booms throughout the branch can sometimes be fairly loud. With the directional audio, that's cut out. We also wanted to have it there for some time to get member feedback, either positive or negative, and just to see if there were any issues with the speaker itself and its integration with the ITM. After 30 days or so, or 3 months or so, we hadn't had any negative feedback. It all had been positive. We hadn't had any issues with the speaker, and so that's when we decided to do a full rollout through our entire ITM network. The installation itself is very simple. We simply there's a harness that NCR provides for us, which allows us to plug into the audio in the ITM and provides us the aux jack that we can use to plug the speaker in. And so, it's a very easy installation. It's one that anybody could do in terms of mounting the speakers themselves. They can mount on the wall directly above the ITM. They can mount on the ceiling above the ITM. And again, those installations are ones that anybody could do. Branch staff are extremely excited. I mean, when we go in and install these things and they see exactly how it works, they see how good the quality is of the audio at the ITM and how much it reduces the noise within the branch, they are truly excited about it. One of the best examples of that is our branch in the LSU Student Union. Before we installed, it's a fairly small branch that has 2 ITMs in it. And before we installed the speakers, we noticed that often when one person was using one of the ITMs, everybody else would wait out in the hallway in order to give them privacy, even when another ITM was available for use. We now see that both ITMs are being utilized at the same time, and so it truly has changed the member behavior in that location. When we were doing the pilot installation, we actually had a couple of local credit unions that had heard about it and came to check it out. Obviously, they immediately saw the difference in the sound levels between the 2 ITMs throughout the branch. But we also emphasized to them that one of the great things about this is that it's passive for the members. The members don't have to change anything that they do except just go through their normal transaction. They don't have to pick up a headphone. They don't have to, put on a headphone. They don't have to do anything different. They also don't have to worry about the cleanliness of the devices or whether it's sanitary or anything like that. They just continue with their normal transaction and the speakers do the work for them. Going to be putting it in every branch and every remodel that we do. In fact, we're actually in the process of modifying the design of some of our branches to actually accommodate the speakers. You know, we also install power in particular locations to accommodate these speaker installs. And so, yeah, we definitely see it going into all of our branches in the future.